Okay, part 2. So, run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. Breathe. When you own your breath, no one can steal your peace. Hand on the forehead, hand on those survival patterns in the rear of the brain. I forgive myself for feeling frustrated. I forgive myself for feeling rage. I forgive myself for feeling angry. I choose my words easily and carefully in this now moment. I choose to speak my truth with calmness and clarity. I choose to take a breath and think about the other person that I'm communicating with. I understand that many people are in different phases of their pain and punishment circuits on this planet. I understand that everyone has their own emotional traumas that they're dealing with. I understand that everyone has their own emotional stresses that they're dealing with. I release any enrage, anger, frustration that's no longer serving me. I release any and all submissive behavior that's no longer serving me. I choose to remain calm when speaking to my fellow humans. I choose to enter any conversation with empathy and sympathy. I choose to understand that people grow. I choose to understand that people are in a different place to me, emotionally, spiritually, mentally. I choose to understand that life is about growth. Life is about learning. Life is about living your best moment day by day. I allow my brain to release feel-good hormones. I choose to smile. I choose to breathe. I choose to exercise. I choose to look after my body as it's the only one I have. Okay. I am careful with the words I say to myself. I am kind to myself in all of life's situations. I no longer hold blame and shame from things from my past. I choose to move forward with peace and love. I choose to move forward with empathy and sympathy. I own my mistakes and I choose to move forwards. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is good, life is good, life is good. Okay. reticular activating system. Low serotonin. I understand that happiness is a choice. I understand that looking after my body allows me to make feel-good hormones. I understand that exercising my body allows me to feel better. I understand that every choice I make for my body changes my hormones, changes my neurotransmitters, changes the way I look at the world. I choose to release fear from living on this planet. I choose to release fear of any threats and dangers on this planet. I choose to live my life to the full. I am happy, I am healthy, I am whole. I am happy, I am healthy, I am whole. I am happy, I am healthy, I am whole. Okay, lovely, beautiful people. Take care, look after your souls, look after your hearts. Talk to you soon.